Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is related to grammar. As you can see on your screen, our today's topic is conditional sentences. So there are four types of conditional sentences. Conditional describe the result of a certain condition. Okay? So conditional sentences are used to describe the result of a certain condition. It is point number one. Number two, the if clause tells you the condition. Where is the condition put in the conditional sentences? So the condition is put in the if clause. When you say if you study hard, so the condition is if you study hard, and the main clause tells you the result of the condition. So the main clause maybe you will pass your exams. So in the if clause the condition is put, while the main clause will tell you the result of the condition. The order of the clauses does not change the meaning. Okay, if you change the order of the clause, if you put the if clause at the beginning or vice versa, it doesn't matter, the meaning remains the same. Conditional sentences are also known as conditional clauses or if clauses. They are used to express that the action in the main clause, okay, which is without if, as I told you earlier, can only take place if a certain condition in the clause with if is fulfilled. If the condition in the if clause is fulfilled, then the result in the main clause is possible. Number one is zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about things that are generally true, okay, especially for laws or rules. They describe laws and rules which are generally accepted. The structure of this is if plus simple present means the if clause is formed in the simple present tense. Then the second clause, which is the main clause, is also formed in the simple present tense. As you can see in the example, if you don't brush your teeth, if plus simple present tense, comma, the main clause, you get cavities. This conditional sentence actually describes a general truth that the action of the main clause depends upon the condition put in the if clause. Or if you heat ice, it melts, which is also a general truth. Or if I drink too much coffee, I can't sleep at night. Another example may be when the sun goes down, it gets dark. Okay, which is a general truth. Then, after this zero conditional is the first conditional. Okay, first conditional, it is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. There is a higher possibility in the first conditional. We use the first conditional when we talk about future situations we believe are real or possible. Okay, the future situation that we are talking about, we also believe they are real or possible. The form or the structure of first conditional is if plus simple present, then the second clause or the main clause is formed with future indefinite tense. Okay, for example, if I find her address, I will send her an invitation. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we will go to the beach. As you can see, the condition is put in the if clause. Our going to beach depends upon the condition in the if clause. When will we go to the beach? When it doesn't rain. Next example may be when I finish work, I will call you. Okay. The next one is that is called second conditional. The second conditional is it is possible but very unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. It describes a sort of impossibility. The form of this type of conditional is if plus simple past. So if clause is made in the simple past tense and the conditional second main clause is made in would plus infinitive form of the verb. Example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. So the second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are impossible or unlikely in reality. So they are impossible. They describe a situation which is far from reality. Some other examples might be if we had a garden, we could have a cat. Uh-huh. If I won a lot of money, I would buy a big house in the country. Okay. At the moment, if I do not have a big house in the country because I don't have much money, I don't have a lot of money, and I am putting forward impossible condition that if I had money, mm, if I had money, I would have built a very good house for myself in the country. Okay, the third conditional that is used again to describe impossible things. It is impossible that the condition will be fulfilled because it refers to the past. Now, the thing, the situation that you are describing in the third conditional, it actually refers to a past one. The form of this type of conditional is if plus past perfect. The if clause is formed in the past perfect tense, while the conditional, the main clause, okay, the main clause is formed with would plus have plus past participle. For example, if I had found her address, I would have sent her an invitation. The third conditional is used to imagine a different past, a past that is different from the reality. You imagine a change in a past situation and the different result of that change. As I said in the example, now the next example may be if I had understood the instructions properly. Okay, this is the condition. I would have passed the exam. So this is the result. If I had understood the instructions properly, then I would have passed the exam. But as I haven't passed the exam, it is because that I did not understand the instructions properly. So these are the four types of conditional sentences. Inshallah, in the next video lesson, we will put some more light on conditional sentences. Our discussion for today regarding conditional sentences is enough to this point. Inshallah, we will move onward from this point. Dear students, at the end, let me give you a simple assignment for home. You have to write sentences in the first two conditional. Okay, you may write three sentences for each conditional, zero conditional, and the first conditional along with the form, means the structure of zero conditional and the first conditional. Write them on a page and take a picture of that page and share that with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.